国际新闻来关心，开讲机器人 ChatGPT 开发商 OpenAI 董事会伫顶礼拜五宣布，甲执行长阿特曼也有另外一个创办人开除。详细的消息是，阿特曼即马决定要加入 Microsoft 微软，要伫微软创立一个新的 AI 研究团队。因若即马 OpenAI 有几若百个员工是伫一张联署批顶头拢有做伙签名，因是对外网调讲，若是无甲董事会换掉，因就要对阿特曼的骹步走去微软。
开讲机器人 ChatGPT 开发商 OpenAI 出现人事地动，董事会17日将执行长阿特曼解职，原因是无法度高信任伊的领导方式。虽然捌传出阿特曼无偌久就会转来，不过即马上新的消息是，微软执行长宣布阿特曼要加入，带一个新的 AI 研究团队。
This is a big win for Microsoft because they're getting sort of what's been called the face of AI, who's joining their company. And him and his president, who's another co-founder, are joining, and they're going to be leading the new advanced AI research team at Microsoft.
OpenAI 董事会伫被网络讲到，阿特曼甲董事会活动欠透明度，下就董事会监督能力。外媒报道指出 ，OpenAI 已经任命亚马逊影音串流平台退出前执行长希尔来做代理执行长。
I believe that there will be far greater jobs on the other side of this, and that the jobs of today will get better.
今年5月，阿特曼伫美国国会听证会表明会全力配合进行负责任的人工智慧开发。不过，美国媒体报道指出，阿特曼主张应该加速 AI 发展，加扩大盈利模式，甲真侪共同创办人意見早就無同。不過 ，OpenAI 有數百員工講要辭職，伫770個員工當中，有500多人伫聯名會簽名。
Because they don't have they don't trust their judgment and how they handled this situation. They don't understand why Sam Altman was pushed out just because of what they said was a lack of communications with the board, and so they didn't have trust in him to run the company anymore.
联名会阁讲到，微软已经承诺会提供工作机会予4个 OpenAI 员工。微软已经投资 OpenAI 超过100亿美金，有49%的股份，佮将科技应用伫家己的产品。不过 ，OpenAI 董事会无愿意伫开除阿特曼的事件让步，也显示拒绝克服微软这大股东的压力。公司新闻电话人朋友。